Hi, I'm Chris Johnson from Work Visa Lawyers, and welcome to our Australian immigration videos. We are one of Australia's largest immigration law firms and have a team of professional immigration lawyers and registered migration agents who can help you. Work Visa Lawyers is proud to be a multilingual company with lawyers and agents who can speak Mandarin, Vietnamese, Punjabi, Portuguese, and Tagalog. We would like to thank our clients for their positive feedback. If you would like us to help you, please hit subscribe and the bell to get notified of all our new videos. In today's video, we'll look at the latest parent visa reforms which are being recommended. The Albanese government's review of the Australian migration system has recently been released. It has made some recommendations in relation to the parent visa categories. There is a large backlog. Within the parent visas, the two main types of visas are the parent visa, which has a lower cost, and the contributory parent visa, which requires a contribution of $43,600. Parent visa processing times are approximately 40 years. Contributory parent visa processing times are currently about 15 years. High economic costs. The migration review suggests that each permanent parent migrant is estimated to cost approximately $400,000 to the Australian economy if you take into account Centrelink services, Medicare services, and aged care services. The report suggests that demand for permanent parent visas would come at a very high cost if it was met fully. Here are some of the reform options considered by the panel in the Migration Review final report. One option is a lottery approach to prevent a visa backlog. A lottery approach would have the benefit of preventing further visas building up, given the high waiting times that are already in the system. The review recognises that Canada and New Zealand are examples of clearing their backlog of applications by adopting a lottery approach. Additionally, if the lottery approach is adopted in Australia, the responsibility of post-arrival support services may rest more heavily with the sponsor child. However, this is just one of the suggestions, and there is doubt as to whether a lottery approach will be adopted in Australia. Option 2, improving temporary parent visas. The current sponsored parent temporary subclass 870 allows parents to visit and stay in Australia for up to 3 or 5 years with a maximum period of stay of up to 10 years. The 870 also includes a payment of $10,000 for the 5-year visa. The review raises concerns that the period of stay is too long for parents, which may lead to a situation where they are unwilling to depart Australia due to losing contact with their home countries. The review suggests the period of stay should be made shorter. The suggestion that parents can stay in Australia with a maximum of 12 months in any given 18 months is put forward. Option 3, removing access to permanent migration for parents. Considering the factors of the high economic cost and the detrimental demographic effects, the review suggests that potentially they should stop permanent migration for parents. With those 3 options in view, I'm interested in your comments. What do you think of the parent lottery? Would that work better for you and your parents? Or do you think it should be moving more towards a more accessible temporary visa? Reflecting on the options put forward, it all looks a little bit grim. The existing parent visa system is definitely not working well, and with a surge of applications during the COVID pandemic, the waiting times have now gotten ridiculous. The parent lottery system seems to offer some benefits in terms of processing times, but leaves everyone feeling on edge and waiting for a result that may not happen. Certainly making temporary visas easier to get and perhaps increasing the need for comprehensive insurance and more support from sponsors may be the way forward. So we'll just have to wait and see what path forward is taken by the Australian government in relation to parent visas. So we've just had an update on the migration review findings in relation to parent visas. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.